The crusade continues. Super Bowl logos got boring. I didn't like it. I fought back and made my own series of Super Bowl logos. Last year, I made one for Super Bowl 56 from Inglewood, California. This year, I tackled Super Bowl 57 in Arizona. Let's start with the ingredients. So when I say ingredients, I'm talking about what inspiration, what ideas, not necessarily ideas for the logo itself, but ideas to pull from as far as what can I reference in the logo. So immediately I'm thinking the Arizona state flag. You have the star, you have the rays, you have the top, you have the bottom, you have the horizon. You also have the colors themselves that I can possibly use within the design. When you see a lot of other logos that refer to championships or games or events in the area, you kind of see like that desert terrain with red rocks and things of that nature. And of course, I'm always looking at past Super Bowl logos. Not the past logos as far as the boring one. I'm talking about the past ones as far as when the Super Bowl logo was cool. Can this, what I'm about to design, stand beside those? So once I had the ingredients in my head of what I was going to pull from, then I got into my sketchbook. So the idea I came up with in my sketch was to first focus in on the letters, because in most Super Bowl logos, the letters, the Roman numerals, are the focus, and then everything is built outside of those things. So I focused on how can I make a mini grid for myself to where each of the letters, because I'm gonna go at an angle. So I'm gonna go kind of subtly referencing the rays that you see, the sun rays that you see on the Arizona state flag. Not that same angle, but sort of reference to those. So I have the L starting, the back of the L starting with, you know, an angle, and then I have the 2, the Roman numeral on the other side, kind of venturing out this way. So I have the whole design built on a grid, and then I fill in to make the shapes that I want, and then have that, you know, desert terrain at the top. The top is also where I'm going to have the Super Bowl text there, and really getting it down on pencil and paper really helps me to see all the different ways I can construct it, and it gives me a battle plan before I even open Adobe Illustrator. So I have the rays, I have the letter, the Roman numerals there, I have the star from the flag to reference the flag. So I have the star, I have the rays, I have the lettering, I have the terrain up top, I have the Super Bowl logo, text, where I'm going to place that roughly. And once I have that all mapped out, and to be honest, I am proud of this sketch. Like, this is one of the best sketches I've ever done, because I've seen other designers and other firms that do sports design, and their sketches look way better than my sketches tend to look. So the fact that I got to put so much into this, and the fact that it looks the way it looks just on pencil and paper, I'm kind of proud of that. Now, before I get into Adobe Illustrator, let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite Super Bowl logo? Now, let's build this thing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below who is going to win the Super Bowl this year. Won't be these clowns, but one day. Remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See y'all next time.